Okay, here we go. We're just going to get started today just with a quick overview because I want you to understand that with studying yoga, a lot of people just think, they'll say, oh, I want to take a stretching class, and it's not a stretching class. So I just want to review the fact that we are human beings dealing with, according to the A&P book on your syllabus by Dr. Patton. I'm following his profile, but it is, his table of contents. So the 11 systems are, number 1, the integumentary. No, I'm going to run out. That's your skin. And then what people mostly think about with 2 and 3 is the skeletal and the muscular. So yes, with yoga, I'm just going to see how that's, you can see that barely, but that's okay because I'm saying it out loud. Skeletal and muscular system. So it's obvious for most people that that's what we're working with. But here's what I want you to focus on as we're doing. Yoga means union, body, mind, soul. Number 4 and 5 is the nervous system and endocrine system. The nervous system is, they're chemical messengers, neurotransmitters. These are chemicals that you could create in your body. It could be from thoughts, it could be from some sort of something that happens to your body. And then hormones. You have neurotransmitters. Good morning. And I'm gonna be right there, so if you wanna move forward, that's okay. I mean, it's fine, but, and hormones. So mostly, let's focus here. That's what we're going to do, focus mostly on this. I really want to throw this in because people don't think about that and you have a lot of power over that. And then to get all 11, you have the cardiovascular system and the lymphatic system. These are both duct systems. The cardiovascular system has a pump, you have your heart. The lymphatic system is a huge part of your immune system, and I don't know why everyone talks all about doing something for better health. They don't think about lymph. Lymph doesn't have a pump. It requires movement to move that fluid, and that gets junk out of your body. This delivers good stuff to the blood, moves all the nutrients and oxygen and stuff to your cells. The lymphatic is moving stuff out. They are like a parallel system running in next to each other. But this one doesn't have a pump, so you got to move. And then 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Number 8 is your respiratory system. Respiratory, huge part of yoga. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. And then digestive, urinary, and the last one, reproductive. So in Western medicine, yoga's a 5,000-year-old system. Western medicine is as old as the United States, right? And we separate all this out. Yoga puts it all together. You can't separate this out. All of it affects everything no matter what. So no matter what kind of medication, you throw in coffee, you go through a breakup, you go through a loss, if there's someone passes away, you get some sort of medical treatment. Everything affects all of these systems in different ways, and depending if you're black, if you're white, if you're older, if you just went through a broken ankle, it's all different. So to me, there's never one size fits all. So when I'm teaching something on the mats or I send videos out to you, you're going to pick and choose what works best for you. Any questions about this? That's you. Nice to meet you. Okay, so I'll send this over to you. Thank you, enjoy, and you will not be tested on this. You're welcome.